What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today we're going to be doing a follow-up review on the Bissell Spot Clean, and we've got a nice little stain to test it out on. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright, so I've had the Bissell Spot Cleaner for probably about 3 years now, doing an awesome job. We've got some excellent stains here on the carpet, on brand new carpet, mind you. I've asked my kids what's happened here. Apparently none of them were up here, none of them know anything about it, and of course it wasn't them. So we've got a nice dark stain here. It almost feels a bit crusty on top as well. I've tried to scrub this by hand a few times and it simply won't come off. We've got another one right here, another one right here, another one there as well. Excellent, we've got plenty of them, and I think this one here might be some sort of nail polish or something like that. So we've got like 3-4 test samples here that we're going to test out. This is the easiest little carpet or upholstery cleaner that you're ever going to come across. Basically on and off switch, return tank, fill up tank. So with the fill up tank, you just put in warm water. So if you have a look on the back there, you just fill up warm water up to here, put in the formula up to here. If it's a small area, if it's a larger area, you use these ones here. So I'm going to quickly fill up some warm water up to this point. We're going to be using the Bissell Spot Clean here, and I might actually add in some of this Oxy Boost as well, because I'm pretty sure this stain here won't come up, but we're going to give it the benefit of the doubt. Alright, so I filled up warm water up to here. I've added my solution plus that little boost bottle that I've got right there as well. Simply plug this one here into place, plug it into the power. We're going to soak this area, let it sit for probably a few minutes, maybe 3-4 minutes. Then I'm going to scrub it using the bristles on this hose here. So you can see there, we'll just give it a good little scrub. Try vacuum it all out and we'll see if it removes it in one go. If not, we might need to repeat the process 2-3 times, and hopefully we'll be able to remove this mysterious stain that apparently appeared out of nowhere. Alrighty, so that stain there, which I'm very impressed with so far, is about 90% gone, which is unreal. With regards to the nail polish on the other side, that one there has completely disappeared, and I haven't even sucked out all the fluids out. So I'm going to quickly repeat the process on this one here, and I'll vacuum them both up once again. Hopefully that'll be the end of it until the mysterious person reappears. Now that is completely gone. Best $200 I ever spent. I'm pretty sure I paid about $200 for this unit about 3 years ago. It might be a bit cheaper, might be a little bit more, but definitely gets you out of trouble when you have a mysterious person that comes along and creates stains in your carpet. So that one there is absolutely perfect. If we have a look on the other side where the nail polish used to be, it's completely gone, and I haven't even vacuumed it out yet. I'm about to quickly vacuum it now. Just got to find, there it is right there. So there we have it, guys. Brand new carpet once again, simply by using the Bissell or Bristle Spot Clean. Very happy with that. I thought I'd give you guys a bit of a follow-up, just in case somebody out there is interested to see whether or not it's worthwhile. For me, definitely worthwhile. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.